Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baloch Scholar. So today I am starting exercise 4.1, question number 3. So question number 3, as you remember in question number 1 and question number 2, we have solved the following algebraic expressions by rearranging them or by finding commons. But in this question, we will be using the formulas, okay? Formulas of algebraic expressions, okay? We will use algebraic formula. So the first formula is a plus b, okay, a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So come to the question, we have 1 plus 12ab plus 36a square b square. Suppose, according to the formula, this one is a, this one is a, and this 12ab is ab, and this 36a square b square is b, okay? So we will solve it according to the formula. So 1 is a, so we'll solve it a square, okay? So this will be 1 square. It will be 1 square. Okay, 1 square. So now it comes to 2ab, okay? So I will write plus 2. So as you know, my a is 1, okay? And if I go for this b, the 36 is there. So as you know, 36 is the perfect square of 6, okay? 36 is the perfect square of 6. That is, okay, 6 multiply 6, 36. So this will be 6ab square, okay? So 2 is written, 2 is written. So 1 is written, a is my 1 and b is, okay, 6ab, okay? b is 6ab plus, okay, 2 multiply 6, 12, okay? 6 multiply 6, 36, okay? Now, as you know, it is an expanded form. It is expanded form, so I will make it shorter in this form. So my a is 1, okay? I'll write 1, and my b is 6ab. Okay, so there is a square. I will put a square here. So here a square is there, so I will put a square, okay? So it is, so I made it shorter according to this. So this form is this one and this form is this one, okay? So I can also expand it, okay? 1 plus 6ab bracket, because it is in a square form. So 1 plus 6ab, okay? It is solved. Okay, come to another question, that is x4 y4 minus 28xy plus 196 over x square y square. Suppose, so we will solve it according to this formula, second formula. A minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Suppose x4, okay, y4 is my, this is a, and 28xy is ab, and this is my b, okay? So this 4, so I will change it into a square, because 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. So I'll make it x square y square. So this a is all square, so I will put it all square, okay? So now terms come for b. So 196 is the perfect square of 14. 14 multiply 14. So I will write just 14 over x square y square, okay, all square is there. So now 28 is there, 28 equals to ab, that is 2ab, okay? So I'll write 2, write 2, then this a is there, a equals to x square y square, and b is there, b equals to 14 over xy, okay? So this xy will be cancelled with this 1xy, okay? This will be cancelled with 1xy. What will remain? X square y square all square 2 xy, 2xy, just 14 is remaining. This was cancelled, 14. Now 14 over x square y square, that is all square now, okay? all square. So this is expanded form, so I'll make it shorter. Okay, this is in this form, so I'll make it in this form. How will I make it? So what is my a? So my a is x square y square. Okay, x square y square. So minus, what is my b? So b is my 14 over x square y square. Okay, all square is there. Okay, all square, so I'll put all square. So this is there. So we have all square, so I can make it likewise. X square y square minus 14 x square y square. Okay, now again x square y square minus 14 over x square y square. Okay, in this form I can. Okay, come to another question, that is x square plus 0.6 xy plus 0.09 y square. Okay, so for that I will use the first formula, that is a plus b all square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here x is my a, so this is 2ab, suppose 2ab, and this is b. Okay, b square. Now we will solve it according to the formula. So this is x square, this is x, a is my x all square. Okay, this is 2. First of all I will solve b. Okay, as you know 0.09 is a square of 0.03. Okay, y, so will be 3y all square. So this is my b. So now I will solve this one. This is 2. So my a is x and my b is 0.03y. Okay, 0.03y. Okay, this is expanded form in this form, so I'll make it shorter in this form. So for that I will write, so what is my a? A is my, okay, x, a is my x plus, and b is my 0.03y. So all square is there, all square equals, so I can expand it also for finishing the square. Okay, that is x plus 0.03y, x plus 0.03y. Okay, this is. Okay, come to another question, that is 16 plus bracket x plus 4y all square minus 8 4y plus x. Okay, first of all I will rearrange it, okay, in order to shift the signs. Okay, so 16 minus 8 4y plus x. Okay, now plus x plus 4y square. Okay, so consider this 16 is there, so it is the perfect square of 4. This is 4 square. Okay, suppose this is a. Okay, consider it a, and this is 2ab, and this is b square. Okay, this is a 4 square. So 4 square minus 2 is there. So what is my a? A is my 4. Okay, 2 multiply 4 equals to 8. Okay, so what is my b? So b is my this one. So b is x plus 4y. Okay, x plus 4y plus, what is remaining? B x square is remaining. Okay, x plus 4y all square. Okay, all square. So now it is expanded form, so I write it in shorter form in this form. Okay, first of all I write 4. What is my a? A is my 4 minus, what is my b? B is x plus 4y all square. Okay, 4y all square. So I can also expand this further. How will I expand it? By changing the sign. Okay, this will be 4 minus x. So I will open the bracket x. So before expanding it, I will change its sign. Minus, this will be 4y. Okay, another 4 minus x minus 4y. This is solved. Okay. Okay, come to another question. The fifth question, that is x power 4 minus 18x square plus 81. Okay, so first of all, my is power is power 4, so this means 2 multiplied 2. So I will change the power into a square. So this will be x square. Okay, this will be x square. Okay, minus 18x plus 81. Okay. So now I will solve it according to the formula. Suppose this is a square, this is 2ab, okay, this is b square, and my b is there, 81 is there, so it is the perfect square of 9, so I'll make it 9. So b is my 9 square, so 9 multiply 9, 81. So this a is there, this is x square all square minus, so 2, I'll write 2. Okay, what is my a? A is my x square. What is my b? So b is my 9. Okay, b is my 9. 2 multiply 9, 18. It will be 18. Okay, so it is expanded form, so I'll write it shorter in this form. So what is my a? A is my x. Okay, x square minus, what is my b? B is my 9. Okay, so all square. So I can also expand it further. This will be x square minus 9, x square minus 9. Okay. Okay, as you know, this 9 is there. It is the perfect square of 3. Okay, so I'll write it further. Okay, x square. Okay, bracket. This will be bracket minus 3 square. Okay. So by seeing this form, so you will apply this formula. See here, a square minus b square. So it is equals to this one, x square minus 3 square. Okay, so it will equal a minus b, a plus b. Okay, one time you will write it likewise, a minus b, and one time you will write it a plus. So it is an square form, so I will make it likewise. This will be x minus 3, x minus 3, further x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay, this is likewise according to this one.